For decades, pancreatic cancer research hit dead ends. But right now, science is delivering the most hopeful breakthroughs in history. This isn't sci-fi, it's 2025's lab reality. I'm Dr. James from Pancreatic Cancer Warriors. Today, we explore the labs rewriting our future. We're shattering barriers, hijacking tumors, and engineering hope like never before. Let's dive into the AI and machine learning revolution that's transforming pancreatic cancer detection. Google DeepMind's groundbreaking tool is predicting tumor spread a full 6 months earlier than traditional methods. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a quantum leap in early intervention. In my analysis, this technology could be the difference between life and death for countless patients. But that's not all. AI is now matching patients to clinical trials in seconds, not months. Gone are the days of desperate families scouring the internet for potential treatments. With a few clicks, AI algorithms are connecting patients with their best shot at cutting-edge therapies. No more guessing. Precision is here. Now, let's talk about the tumor microenvironment, the battlefield where cancer wages its war. We're developing drugs that silence cancer's bodyguards, known as cancer-associated fibroblasts, or CAFs. These cells have long protected tumors from our best treatments, but now, we're shutting them down. Trials show 50% less recurrence with CAF-targeting drugs. That's not just progress, it's a potential game-changer. And here's where science fiction becomes science fact. These microscopic drug delivery robots are bypassing the protective stroma that's long shielded pancreatic tumors. In my analysis, nanobots change everything. They're the guided missiles in our arsenal against cancer, delivering powerful drugs with pinpoint accuracy. The early detection revolution is in full swing, and it's redefining what's possible. Liquid biopsies 2.0 are spotting cancer DNA in the blood before scans even show tumors. Think about that. We're catching cancer before it's visible. This isn't incremental progress, it's a paradigm shift. But wait, there's more. Urine biomarkers are showing incredible promise. A simple test detecting pancreatic cancer at stage 1 is already in trials. Imagine a world where a routine urine test could catch this deadly disease in its infancy. That's the future we're building, warriors. Prevention is the ultimate goal, and we're making strides there too. Vaccines for high-risk BRCA carriers are in early human trials. This could be a lifeline for those genetically predisposed to pancreatic cancer. We're not just treating the disease, we're stopping it before it starts. The gut microbiome is emerging as a crucial player in cancer prevention. New research suggests that specific probiotics may slash pancreatic cancer risk by 30%. This is UNT just about popping a supplement. It's S about fundamentally altering our body's cancer-fighting capabilities. Let's take a moment to spotlight a survivor who embodies the hope these breakthroughs bring. Martha, a trial participant, shared her story with us. My tumor vanished after CRI-SBR therapy. Her words aren't just inspiring, they're a testament to the power of cutting-edge research. Warriors, the landscape of pancreatic cancer research is evolving at breakneck speed. We're not just making progress, we're redefining what's possible. Every day, in labs across the world, brilliant minds are pushing the boundaries of science, driven by a singular goal: to conquer this devastating disease. But here's the thing. Breakthroughs don't happen in a vacuum. They require support, funding, and a collective will to succeed. That's where you come in. Your voice, your advocacy, your support, it all accelerates hope. When you share these advancements, when you participate in trials, when you donate to research, you're not just observers, you're active participants in this revolution. The road ahead is still long, and there will be challenges. But for the first time in history, we have a clear path forward. We're armed with AI that predicts, nanobots that deliver, and therapies that target with unprecedented precision. We're catching cancer earlier than ever before, and even preventing it in high-risk individuals. This is a call to action for every warrior out there. Support research, demand innovation. Your voice matters more than you know. Every time you share these breakthroughs, you're spreading hope. Every time you advocate for funding, you're fueling the next discovery. Every time you participate in a study, you're pushing science forward. Remember, this isn't some distant future we're talking about. This is happening now, in labs and clinics around the world. We're living in an era of unprecedented progress, and the momentum is building. But we need every warrior to keep that momentum going. So, let's make some noise. Let's ensure that every person affected by pancreatic cancer knows about these advancements. Let's flood social media with stories of hope and progress. Let's knock on the doors of policymakers and demand more funding for research. Warriors, we stand at the threshold of a new era in pancreatic cancer treatment. An era where early detection is the norm, not the exception. Where personalized therapies target cancer with laser-like precision. Where prevention strategies slash risk factors across the board. This is our moment. The science is here. The tools are in our hands. Now, it's up to us to use them, to spread the word, to participate in trials, to support the researchers working tirelessly to turn the tide against this disease. So, I ask you, are you ready to be part of this revolution? Are you ready to rewrite the story of pancreatic cancer? Because that's exactly what we're doing, one breakthrough at a time. Remember, every share, every donation, every voice raised in support of research brings us one step closer to our goal. We're not just fighting cancer, we're reshaping the future of medicine itself. Warriors, let's make history together. Let's turn these breakthroughs into a new reality for pancreatic cancer patients everywhere. The future is bright, and it's ours to shape. Share this hope, spread this message, and let's accelerate the pace of progress. Together, we are unstoppable. This is Dr. James, signing off for Pancreatic Cancer Warriors. Stay hopeful, stay informed, and keep fighting. The best is yet to come.